A victory for deed theft victims here in our borough. Thanks for being with us on News 12 Brooklyn. I'm Amanda Bossard. A disbarred attorney is now convicted of stealing deeds from nearly a dozen minority homeowners. News 12's Nadia Galindo spoke with one of those victims about the bittersweet moment.
He stole our lives. We were no longer happy in our house. We were feeling like strangers in our own homes.
What was a shining example of an American dream became the center of 13 years of suffering for Clotilde Sawadogo, who goes by Wendy, and her husband Patrice. And now the man who caused their pain is being held accountable.
I can say I'm happy it's over, but I'm not happy that he's going back home.
Thursday, Sanford Solney was convicted of stealing 11 deeds from black and brown property owners. The Brooklyn District Attorney's Office saying the Millwood man carried out a fraudulent real estate scheme targeting homeowners in foreclosure. The DA's office says his law license was suspended in 2012. He was disbarred in 2023. Wendy says Solney stole the deeds of this property in East Flatbush and another in East New York as they look to sell them off by rushing them through paperwork.
Was a trick, tricking him to sign over the deed.
The 68-year-old is now facing up to 7 years in prison when he's sentenced on September 17th. Meanwhile, Wendy is optimistic about the impacts his conviction will have.
Now I can put a garden.
The DA's office confirms a judge will be signing an order to nullify the 11 fraudulent deeds, giving Wendy hope they'll finally get their properties back. In East Flatbush, Nadia Galindo, News 12 Brooklyn.
Hopefully a light at the end of the tunnel for those residents there. Solney's attorney told us in a statement, quote, "While we believe that the evidence supported an acquittal on all charges, we were grateful for the acquittals on the majority of the charges. There are a myriad of appellate issues which will be vigorously pursued in future proceedings." And of course, stay tuned right here to News 12 for the latest on those legal proceedings.